Okay, so I wanted to shed some light on an issue that some of you may or may not be having. This is an 85 Electra Glide with an 80-inch Evo motor and a 5-speed transmission. Did a top end rebuild, a belt, rear pulley, a rear tire last year. All this work, and I put it back together after riding for about, I don't know, 2,000 to 3,000 miles before my first oil change since the rebuild. I started hearing a chirping noise, and I wasn't sure at first, if it was inner primary bearing or if something was hanging up like the starter, or if my tire was unaligned and the belt wasn't tracking straight. And I tried moving it multiple times and to no avail. Well, I ripped the inner primary off, and I found out that this reverse threaded nut had backed off for my main pulley gear. Now, I didn't have this off the first time, but I suspect it may have had a hand in helping throw my belt first time. Now we see that she's got some wear on there. Looks like it wore into the case a little bit. I'm going to have to do some inspecting. Doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. Clean it up, put it all back together, and see if I can retorque that nut. But so I've found out riding through water as my slight chirp, 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 chirp turned into whoop, 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 whoop before it eventually started peeling the belt. And then you get thump, 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 thump. And a few miles later, you get a road snake. That's just what happens. But I hope this helps, because I couldn't find anything else online about it. Everyone just says, check the alignment, check the alignment, check the alignment. Pull the damn primary off and look for yourself. That's what everybody needs to do. Just figure it out for them fucking selves and stop listening to everyone else. That goes in life as well as this.